Hi, my name is Sebastian Garzón Tamayo. Account step 3 video requirements. Let's go to video.
One fee.
As much as I'd love to help you, Mr. Reed, my hands are tied right now and there's nothing I can do. I already I'm afraid you'll have to pay the fees for now. I want to let you know that you can actually avoid these fees by paying before 4 p.m. of your due date.
I already know that. You already explained that. You keep telling me the same thing, but you're not doing anything. I'll make sure to call back and speak to your supervisor. You're not helping me at all, even though I've been a customer for 5 years. Terrible service.
I'm really, really, really sorry, sir.
No, you're not sorry.
Okay. What happened during the interaction? I'll turn the video. Don't have a full problem script on the website. The typical step show and top suspect is this type of call or the hats the agent Beijing with a friendly greeting introduction tensor and asking how they can help. The Chrome expresses their problem or complaint. Sometimes the brothers are deceptive, then the Hudson remain calm, acknowledge for the inconvenience, acknowledge the problem. I am sorry for the inconvenience. I understand your frustration, this a key element, and reducing tension. Second video.
When you had to deal with a difficult customer.
A customer came into our store requesting a refund, but they didn't have a receipt. When I informed them that I could not issue the refund, they started shouting. It was my task to listen to the customer and take action to diffuse the situation. I let the customer vent their frustrations, and while they were talking, I listened. I then explained that company policy prevented me from issuing a refund without a receipt. However, I stated that if they reviewed their bank statement when they got home, it would probably prove that they purchased the goods from our store, which would be a suitable replacement for a receipt. The customer thanked me for this alternative solution, and when they returned the next day with their bank statement, I was able to issue a refund. For more great interview tips, click the...
Okay. Key points covered in the video interview. Definition of good consumer service. It is emphasis that good service consists of essential expectation so that the consumer feels is valued and builds long-term relations. Essential skills from the position, clear communication, activity, listen, adaptably, snugly of process and concert orient attitude. Handling complaints or difficult content. The video highlights the importance of listening to the customer apologies if approved, fully understanding the problem, offering concrete solution, and making and calm and empathic dialogue. Okay. Gmail 1. Gmail 1. From an international customer subject require for clarification regarding shipping delays. Their support teams. My name is Akira Tanaka, and I am contacting from Japan and recently placing an order for technical equipment on October 10th, but according to the tracking link, the shipment is more than 10 days late with UNDAP, as I need the equipment for an upcoming presentation and precise detailed information regarding the reason for delay and estimate delivery date. Also, please let me know if there are any custom requirements on my and that might affect the process. Thanks you for assistance. Sincerely, Akira Tanaka. Okay. 2. Second ready item. Excerpts from the article effective communication with international clients. When dealing with clients for other countries, it is essential to have clear structure and culturally appropriate and short international interests often involve additional factors such as time zone difference to communication requirements, shipping regulations, and language barriers. To respond effectively, professionals must acknowledge the client concern, provide accurate information, and use simple, natural language to avoid misunderstanding. Okay, thank you.